If you're waiting for that perfect moment, that perfect timing, it's not going to happen. You know what you have to do? You have to create the perfect time and the perfect opportunity and the perfect situation.
The little like the top is what, ma? Is what? Them vex. Miss. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. What's up? It's a new day. Listen, guys. I'm trying to reach at the supermarket. I'm gonna try to reach the supermarket in a good time because we need to get some water. I'm gonna meet up with mommy there because like it's crazy out today. Remember in the last vlog, my Tennessee Mountain, it's literally the day after that night mountain, and then with all of the measures them, I know it's just crazy. Bring this because hungry, and this will keep me little. I don't know what I gotta eat for dinner today, but I'm just starting off the vlog. And I know I have on this pumpkin spice wig, which I really like the color. Really, the other day I had on a curly. Remember the curly one? That now this is body wave. So anyways, I'm literally going to take this off later though, because I filmed this morning. But later I'm gonna take this off and I'm going to wash my hair. Take a little break from the wigs. Take a little break from the wigs. Yeah, I'm a nice little pull back vibe and catch up, and yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I can show you guys bits of that. Alright guys, so I never take you through the whole process of what we took up, but it was miserable for the most part. It was miserable in here, so I say I never gotta go pull out the camera because it's full. Everywhere is full because I guess through as an here in the last vlog. Oh my gosh, wait a time from put them up vlog. Let's see if I'm tired. So left the supermarket. No, we'll make a stop. Supermarket did rough. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, and yeah, I published my vlog because time slipped me like a man, because I said I was going to publish it at 3, and then I look at my watch and I say it was like 24 minutes past. But anyway, did that. So I get here, so, and then I head back home. That's it for the road. I never expect say every Saturday busy still, but today was like triple that. But best thing is we don't do what we have to do. That's it for today, and yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. This color is so nice. Showing a little bit. I already shampooed my hair, so now I'm going with my little treatment, and then I will condition it, and yeah. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. Hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures,
trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just to be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah.
Watch you know, this will take forever for load. By the way, may I leave the gym right now. It's the next day, guys. It's the next day, yes. And I got fresh. Okay. And right now, I honestly don't have that much to do today. Yeah, my hair is in that updo. Before I kill mode, comments them and say, my gosh, you need to wear your hair more like this, blah, blah, blah. I know something I like the one look too long. But my plan for rock out with this for the next couple of days. And yeah. And please don't be in the comments like, oh, I prefer this than the wigs. It's what I prefer, you know? So yes, today was a good day at the gym. I did 1 and 2 moves were kind of challenging. It wasn't too rough. So honestly, I just make a post on my Instagram, my fitness page, that is Sue's Fitness Journey, with my outfit of the day. And I was just like basically saying in the post that, you know, my skin been reacting so much better. And I mean, I mentioned this in I think the previous vlog or vlog before last, how I'm not gonna lie, like my skin, I feel like as always, I don't have bad skin, but my skin has been reacting so much better since I've been drinking green juice every single day. I'm gonna say every single day. I'm not taking no breaks, as in I don't do the weekends off or anything. If I'm gonna do it for the day, I must something happen. And I think that's once since I've started to drink it back. Like, why this jam up? Oh my god, nobody can give me that blind. Oh my god, nobody can give me that blind. Jesus, never. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Sorry, but yeah, man. And I feel like in combination with the collagen, Jesus. Comment down below if you've went ahead and got collagen since you've seen it in the vlogs. You know, because I don't know, because a lot of people been like, you know, reaching out and asking about the collagen. Like, it says unflavored. Believe me, it is really unflavored. One thing that I realized with it is that it make whatever, like for me personally, I'm gonna put it in my smoothie them, as I know, it made the smoothie even smoother. I don't put it in anything else. Say you can put it in a cold beverage, you can put it in a tea. I've never tried to put it in anything hot or whatever, because I haven't. But it's been good, and it don't have any flavor. It just adds to the texture. So far, what I've been experiencing, oh my god, I'm gonna know. Only seen the previous clip when I was washing my hair. Yeah, I always have thick hair, but my hair it feels even thicker. And I don't know, it feels really good. It feels really, really, really good. So, and I mean, that's what collagen, I did tell you the benefits of collagen before in a previous vlog. If you're not aware of what it does, you can simply just Google it. Trust me, it lays it all out for you. But yeah, I'm feeling good that I've been sticking to that regimen. It really, your skin, how you look, it really has a lot to do with what you eat. Right now I'm really feel for my son and I'm hungry, but I'm gonna make my fruit smoothie. I drink 2 smoothies a day, and they really can just replace me, because they're filling. With the green juice, I drink the pulp, because you could do the juicing if you can't deal with the pulp, but based on research, if you have the pulp, it's even more beneficial, because it has all the nutrients in the pulp. So if you can just bend a man if you eat it and done, it's even better for you. I mean, if you just drink the juice alone, yeah, it still have the benefits. It was raining. It's been so rainy for the past like week and a half, and it happens like that during these months, because you know, so it's close to Christmas. Guys, I see where a couple of you are very excited for Vlogmas. I'm excited for Vlogmas, and I don't know some ever excited for Vlogmas, because like that's my birth month. Yeah, like what? But aside from that, if I never born December, I feel like I'd still have the same feeling. I don't know, but honestly, Christmas is just, I don't know, it's something about it, man. And it's not about the gifts or anything like that, because I did say it before. I don't know, I should say that for when December comes. Maybe too previous, but a couple of you were like, oh my gosh, so we forget one package for December, and you know, show away. I'm sorry guys, when December come, when Vlogmas series start, I'll be sure to show you. I hope because I'm not telling you what it was, and when I guess to say it was anything major. Oh my gosh, Insecure start back. Listen, Shami bleach on it last night, you know. Well, I've never seen any of those in Jamaica. Shami bleach on the show last night, you know. I don't know what going, but it just never dropped early enough on HBO Max. Anyways, it's there now, so I'm gonna go ahead and catch the first episode of it. By the way, remember from a long time they want to recommend a bunch of did recommend like a long list of like shows and series that I can check out on Netflix. So finally, this is a very common one, Blacklist. We finally started to watch it together, and it was good. It's a good watch, but it's a detective movie, you know. It's like, I saw comparisons there. People are comparing Reddington to Professor, and I'm like, how can you compare the two? It's so different to me. But I get why you would, but me see more where it should have been compared to Lucifer rather than well, I'm never really compared to Money Eyes. They're more compared the characters. They didn't compare the show, but I feel like it could be compared to Lucifer in the whole detective sense. But it's a good series. But I not always want to watch a detective show, you know. But for small reasons in there, I want to continue watch it. Like the fact that I want to know where husband involved in. Sorry to be a spoiler, but you know, all of them because something I didn't know so there was a reason why I'm so obsessed with her. Anyways, I'm not gonna chat stuff for nobody wanna know it, but it's not just a cool watch, it's a good watch. And if you don't have enough to do, it's one of those series where you won't regret watching. It's just that I'm not always heavy on a detective show, movie, or series, but I'll watch it because it's interesting, you know. Yeah, but mega catch up on the Insecure episode here, the season here, it's the final season. Oh my gosh, listen guys, I'm telling you, see Issa, she's so talented. May I watch Issa stuff from the a long time. Me I binge my YouTube, you know. May I watch Issa things them from I tell you, like before you nobody in Jamaica even afford by YouTube like that. Well, because she used to do like short films and stuff on YouTube, and I used to be so obsessed with them, like so obsessed. They'll show me, I say, what are y'all watch? You ever watch something on YouTube? It's always her stuff, man. And me just always I say, oh, one day she'll go boss one day, and she'll boss. Like when I see Issa do them something, I say, geez, I feel like my know the lady not even know something exists, but you know, that's just how I feel. You know, when you come from far, I watch somebody journey from far, you feel it when them finally reach. I just feel happy for her. But yeah, listen, she writes some good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna catch up on that. And yeah, even though it's a rainy day, it's still a good day. I'm feeling good because, I don't know, today's workout session has me pumped, okay? Guys, I'm gonna say, watch your swat chat we out. Alright, I'm gonna cut this clip. Sure. Watch what we see, guys. Rush. I want. Go check gym. You're gymming.
Yeah. Up there with Sue.
But which gym I go?
No,
wait,
Jim.
I want to come back.
Yes. I posted when I landed. Jesus, out your atty. Mama, don't record me. I'm ready. I get ready now.
Well, this
No, I posted when I landed.
Last night we buy a new Christmas tree.
What kind of Christmas tree?
I love for Christmas.
Him love the green.
No, I can't get the green one. I wonder if I can walk with this in there.
But Shami, you say I get a couple stuff, right?
Ask for my shirt and some ear.
She don't want much. She just wants some ear products. But we're also seeing what they have so far. Guys,
We're not giving it different.
it's not completely there yet. They just give you a little preview.
Yeah.
It's a
That's
preview. Guys, I see what previous.
Show me that easy.
No. Wait, there, what is a Christmas hat?
No. I want corn.
Oh.
You know?
Them Santa look nice. But what is it allow people? Them something are cute. But no, so this is just a little preview to a Christmas light. You see me just showing a little bit of
I love this.
Pepper lights.
Oh, this is lovely.
Yeah, that's cute.
$1 million.
250.
Oh, 250. That's
This is my aesthetic.
Nice.
This is my vibe.
Ah, yes.
This is my vibe.
Yeah.
$1 swan.
Right.
Them here nice, so them here the
Mommy,
nice
for the tree, which color you say this? Guys, we're back downstairs. So, I noticed at the previous clip, it was just kind of like all over the place because I kept on. First of all, the camera battery dead. I'm gonna have to change it, and then the first clip where we just woke up in a rush, I did a vlog out L, and then I don't know what happened. The camera just stopped and then tell me said the file corrupt. Yeah. So it's a new day, obviously. Yamina white again. It's a different shirt, just so you know. But I have some errands to go run. So me and mommy actually, so I'm here about to pick her up, and we're gonna do that. Then I have a wax appointment, so I'm gonna go do that. You know, my bros them want wax, right? So, I'm due for wax, bottom line. So that's what my day is looking like today. Literally, this is the first thing I have for morning, so I never did have much time to stop and really prepare anything. So fruit smoothie can't go wrong with it. I never even get for make it yesterday. I only made green juice, and because I did already have this kind of prepped, because I had put out the portion that I want to blend up, so I just blend it up real quick and come out on the road. Obviously today is my off day, and that's it. Any show need for dough. But then we have to do something. And I just got done with my wax. My brows look so clean. I did a Brazilian, I did my underarms, and I did my eyebrows. Looks so good. Alright, well guys, it's the next day obviously, so it's morning time and I'm about to head to the gym. I just breakfast. I had ginseng tea, I have that, and I'm actually doing a what I eat in a day today on my workout Instagram. That's Sue's Fitness Journey, so go ahead and check that out. By the time you see this vlog, the story obviously gone, but I do put stuff like that in my highlights. So I do have a highlight there that says my nutrition, so you can go check it and you'll see what I had today. Yeah, something specifically I will show that on my Instagram today, and I won't put it in the vlog today, but yeah, I'm just gonna show basically what I'm gonna have today. That's it. Just have that. So now I'm gonna head to the gym, and yeah, I think my package reached, so that all of them, I think it all can go on in another vlog here. But let's see. On the ear, one nice, right? She ride bicycle. She's being active.
Long run now, red Corvette and my drop top down, calling up my d roll line up, speeding like I robbed someone, falling and I'm a whip, yeah, out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah, I still ball in the pitch, yeah, something wrong with the picture, something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why you need to lie, something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why, how do you get by? Way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cashed else, I just wanted him to lose you. Damn, puffing on that bullshit Uncle Sam's. Who'd have thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why you need to lie. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Top down, calling up in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone, falling and I'm a whip, yeah, out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah, I still ball in the pitch, yeah, something wrong with the picture, something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why you need to lie, something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? Way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cashed out, I just wanted him to lose.
Just to get her precious, so you know it's kept where I left it. Never fall down, got me going distant measures, yeah. She know that right away. Anytime you feel like you want, you ready. I'll be around for you.
Guys, can you tell that I love that song? I love that song. That's on the Vent Deluxe edition, that album. Those added songs, I really like that one. Invaluable. Anyways, so obviously I'm done with my gym session and I'm feeling good because, but not gonna lie, I'll come out today with that session and like it was strictly like resistance like training. Yeah, you don't know, said the weights them already like a lot, but then he added a bunch of bands and it was just like, oh, wow, it's mega glutes today. So now, of course, I'm feeling that, and it's always a good sign when you feel, you know, sore after your workout. Well, at least me like to feel that way. Stretch to make to relieve that soreness or whatever. But yes, it was a good session, and I'm feeling good. And I'm pretty positive that in this vlog is where you will see Shami's version Fear haul. Yeah, last vlog you guys saw my try on haul that I did. So today, first day I bounce the music, I can feel the bass, but yes, you should see that. I believe I'm getting a package today. So yeah, I have that to do right now. I'm going to pick up my lunch. So today I actually fell to get that salad again, but just salad. So that's what I'm gonna get right now, and after that I'm gonna get these packages. I want to go to the store to get something, and it's a beautiful sunny day. It's been raining a lot since the other day. Today is really sunny though. So yeah, just coming back. Let me show you. It's really bright and sunny today. Really bright and sunny. So
thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh.
Alright guys, so reach with destination for now, but guys, oh my god, the traffic to go back is so killer. We've been out here for when we leave home, 5 o'clock or to 5 o'clock. It's half an hour later. So we literally reach,
And the traffic make we reach Texas and reach are you.
I have to make one stop.
Yeah, but you make it sound like say traffic make we take long for reach.
Alright guys, so reach home, and let me see. These are my packages. I have more to get it. I believe, oh my gosh, these are my choice. So half of the shipment I receive. So I'm gonna see what I get. I know say some of this a PR as usual. I mean, nothing new. Nothing new. So okay, I have this box here. some stuff that I got. Let's see what. Remember what this? Yeah, make sure tape up the backside good enough. This is kind of off topic, but I saw a comment where somebody said, boy, they wish them couldn't get a vlog in at the middle of the week. Honestly, more than really love for getting a vlog in at the middle of the week too, but you see, since I've been doing this weekly vlog thing, it might seem easier to you guys, but it's not as easy. It's like, because I do the long vlog them too, and me personally, I love long vlogs. Even one day, like, since what everybody say, oh, it's a series, it's now a series, and they love it. Like, everybody love the time and something, you know. And me personally, me mostly watch long vlogs. So it's like I always tend to do what I prefer, you know, things that attract me, you know. I grow to like them, like to do them, you know. Like, if you understand me, I try to. No man, from him not try pull them up so. But yeah, so would I really want to give you like 2 vlogs a week again, like we used to do long time ago. But it's hard. It's probably split the vlog that I want to give you like 2 long vlogs to the week. But more than probably I feel I do more. And I'm already doing so much, like on a daily basis. Sometimes, honestly, enough of them days you're not planning with like how they turn out. Enough time, but sometimes I might think somebody will able to give you 2 vlogs for that specific week there, and then some man it just don't work out. So I just got one. But Vlogmas there around the corner, I know. And yo, tell you a funny thing, me and Shami will be watching back old Vlogmas episodes from last year. It's just so fun watching them. But by the way, if anybody catch up on it, you can catch up on them. What both for being in November. One day in November. The start of a new. Oh, okay. Got a package from Louis. Okay, so I got a bag here that I've been waiting on. Okay, so I got this little package with some stuff. This is just another bag that I got. So yeah. Korean ease up on the place, just feedback at what is. Oh, so yo guys, remember me and Shami did go in a Fontana some time ago, and we were looking at the straw that she was like, no, you can buy it online. Guys, I bought these online for like $8. Yeah, or some fat ones that I wanted. Yes, this is the one, like, it's smoothie appropriate. You see how fat it is, and it's like that iridescent look. And it has this one. This is like medium, but this one is like really large. I wish all of them were as large as this. I thought all of them were like as large as this. And then they come with the cleaner, because you have to clean your straw, then make sure you wash your straw them good. Yeah, so that's everything I got in here. Yeah. So as I said, this is half of my shipment. We'll get the next half like tomorrow or Saturday. So right now we're gonna see what Shami gets in our package, because it's a haul off. So let's call her out and see what she got. Shami? You ready, mommy?
Long time.
Favorite turn. Let's see.
Alright, so I'm gonna rate this as an outfit. I'm gonna rate it as top and bottom. A cheap something like her one?
Yes, same $10.
Yeah. Well, I'm a cat one. We must rate it all as a top and a blouse, not as an outfit. Okay, good day.
I like how this look it neat.
I want mirrors.
It fits her nice, yeah.
10.
But it's 8, you know, it's simple. Let me get 8. The top, You can dress it up.
Give it a 9.
I'm gonna give it a 8. Two of them make it 8.
I'm gonna give 10 and 9.
Yeah, it's nice. It one, it fit you nice.
Hold on there. I say, I'm afraid that.
What?
This.
Yeah, I just died.
Remember the arrangements are 3 outfit maybe, not the one I'm okay with.
3 outfit, yeah, the Shami?
Yeah, that was the arrangement.
3 outfits?
Yeah.
This one girl, that one make one.
So what is the occasion for this? You never send nothing. You never even go up and show the people them properly.
After I don't know with them, never.
What you?
Yeah.
Tell people about it. Yeah.
This I think I can dress it up for go like out.
Yeah, you can dress it up.
These are like just regular jeans.
Errands.
Yeah, but it's nice. I look comfortable.
Yeah.
So
nice.
Yeah. What's one?
Oh, yeah, Mustafa.
Where you never see clothes like them over there?
Mommy, me never see. Show me half time for their answer, you know. I never want no jeans. Honestly, I never want no jeans. So I never buy no jeans. I cut my eye.
You just want some liquor.
I never did want a top like that either. I love bodysuit.
I know exactly bodysuit.
That is a bodysuit.
I know. Not exactly bodysuit.
You can't come to me with them something for me. That's the other clothes that she come out with. You do the other clothes that she come out with. So, mommy, see? Mommy, I was very intentional in what I buy. I just buy some super simple stuff.
But you intentional what she buy too?
Yeah, show me like make sure say I don't know, she does shop with different intentions and I was
just shopping yard by the stuff.
Errands, yeah, just simple clothes because $10. Let me never think nothing too serious, nothing too crazy. Just take up 2 little pieces or something.
Alright then.
We are going so far. We are saying.
No, me see cheap.
One outfit, mommy see.
Alright.
Hurry up, little girl. Hurry up.
Shanika, she said.
Hurry up.
No.
I wish this was them did in the one vlog, you know. Take a shipment, take long. Okay, next one you could give a little heads up.
Hey.
We are able.
Big.
We are able.
Hey. Mama laugh now. I can't laugh.
We are laugh so far. Where this go?
Like average, remember no?
In a all the time at?
So one, you want like
Blue
some
Mountain.
I always wear them. No, I always wear my older them.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Trendy and things.
The shorts cute and something, but
I'm not a big fan of the top, but maybe I give it a 9.
Like
Yeah, may I give it 9.
and if for me, I give it 5.
Now it's one. It's trendy. Stop going
I'm
for-
going to give it a 6.
I give the top a 9. And
this is supposed to be rated as an outfit, right?
I mean, it can.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 6.
So how much rated as an outfit?
Yeah, she said yes. She said yes. She said yeah. I'm not yet. No, I'm not yet, guys. The short it neat, it nice, you know. It nice. It's
But
not
I give
too
it
tight.
short. I was gonna give.
I'm not like the fit of this.
Yeah, I'm not too fancy that, but I give it a 9.
That's how it bring down the outfit. Color alright as
Some of the rate as one, Shami.
Mommy, rate the top and bottom. When you come out, I rate top and bottom area.
Alright, I rate them individually then. That make it 6 and this make it 7.
I get the bottom 8 and I get the top 9.
So,
You get the top 9?
I like.
the lady like the top is what, ma? Is what? Them vex. So, this look like exposure too bright.
Yeah,
but I don't know.
yeah, them can't see a perfect right as a man.
Yeah. This is it.
No, come here. What you did have in your mind when you buy them here?
Oh, my bike.
What?
This is actually a setting on. I have the shorts to match it, but the
But
shorts
not
kind
gonna look
of big.
Okay.
So I said, I'm
No, you should have wear the 2 of them together.
Well, I know. You can't tell the girl to put on her
Exactly.
clothes. Well, I know you want your out your Shami want strong, but me I come talk about say.
Only they are gonna see.
Oh, Shami that type on her hand for shop. Not because it's cheap.
Excuse chef,
That's
no.
so
She never said that
nice.
She never said that last week.
Come, me don't wonder what them clothes, them type of clothes are there. But me know say them there.
Wanna see your mama see?
No, I don't
Minister nothing come out at yet. The artist thing on the black body suit.
Shout
You see what I say?
Make sure
I'm still a be nice.
Make sure say you come out strong right you say no. Oh, can you say the last
you see
one?
how you lick me with cushion and everything last vlog? Alright.
No, but I'm the people. Some of them that don't want to come out in a. She don't want to fight her. What she go with them there?
Come on, them not that bad. Them not that
So
bad.
you know what you for the next time it's a cheap sale and go on.
I don't like one of the hardest thing. If I don't say it too long,
You know,
just get tired and just grab to something. And you see, me's not the shopper that we want to take the whole day just a look pan close. And now make up my mind. You can't bother. That now just say me just gonna get up and buy anything. But as I said, it was a cheap thing. And most of what it like need to see. Let me just super simple. Show me. As I said, show me good for that thing. Show me we still not she was cool. And when we go up and start with Shami. And Shami find something. I say, oh, you find that? She say you have to go in and this, you have to go in and this, you have to go in and this, you have to go in and that. I'm like, who would have thought? Yeah. And I say, me just I guess. I'm not find that it's to each. I just have a conversation.
Okay.
Last one. Shami could have do better.
We can do one next one.
Yes. But you have to make sure that one day better than this. A beer shot today. Jean shots all. Jean shots all then.
Mukbang girl, nice see.
This is like you can this slap.
Yeah, because of all them make.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Guess what? Girl not going with her stuff. So I'm afraid
it. Yeah, she did go a little bit
I'm afraid it. As one?
Yeah, wait somebody can rate as well. I'ma give it a 9. You know, because it's a cute little fit you can wear it go by the beach. You know what I mean? If you don't feel like you put on a bikini or so, you know?
That's why I'm telling jeans good, that's why I'm best.
Yeah, and I have enough fashion about me. I never want a jeans. But it's nice. It's a cute short.
Impressive.
Yeah, I like it. Just I wish that a little bit more. Yeah, okay, so she have one more. She's going to do one more. Because when I know what kind of haul off that would be with only 3 outfits.
She go on with that. She go on with that.
Yeah,
shopping over there. She go on.
She did. What she do? She thought of more like casual wear outside. While me just think
no, you should have
slash if me have to run out on the road kind of thing. But she literally thought about she can possibly grab one of the shots and probably go lunch or something. Right? I love the sweat.
Oh my god.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Love it very much. Come over here, some girl. Come out. You know how to buy.
Then this reach $10? This reach $10?
So it's under 10.
What?
Yeah.
When me did buy my one look so it was more than 10. It was like 40 something like that. I have a cream one and my own.
And this is just a regular top.
Yeah, the top get 5, this get 10.
No, I love them both.
Yeah. The two of them go together. Like you definitely wear the two of them together.
Yeah.
It's just so chill on the top here. I'm gonna give it a 5. But I'm gonna give the sweats a 10.
I give it up at 7. I'm gonna give this a 10.
Definitely get a 10.
Yeah.
Like, oh, it have all of the show them.
Yeah.
What? Wait, which one?
They are now.
Real monsters. Oh, which one?
You know about cat dog?
Cat dog.
They are now.
Renee, Stimpy.
You know that.
Rocky Boy. You don't know the people and the...
Oh, yeah.
Remember them,
And don't you say it's the best of the 90s, but I three quarters, you know?
Okay.
Which one is Rocco's Modern Lab? I know that. Rugrats, definitely.
Yeah. My
Yeah.
favorite. Hey,
well, Sunbury is this done yesterday? No?
Oh. That is it.
Yes, girl.
Okay, alright, cool.
Come
Yes,
on.
you can go yet. So I'm gonna have to judge it now.
Yeah.
Well,
It's a holler.
look here now, people. No comment down below. But from when you see, love our Shama Guan with the cheap sale. Yes, that's one when you're doing the cheap sale. Yeah. And she come out with her last thing. I remember me tell someone say, when you come out with the last.
There's something them see more. You know them can go more places.
You see, a while ago she was attacking people. But I don't see something me have one.
No, but you never done see it.
I never done see, but I didn't like how my sister far down. So I need to.
Which was only one. And you saw like 4 to 5 things on my haul.
And what is the point?
You saw more.
One of them was real hot, and I told you that. I did.
Alright, cool. So Shami got it. Shami got won this haul off.
Will there be another one?
Will there be? You have to ask she, no? Shami, she don't like
Shami,
to
will there be another one anytime now?
So obviously, it is a new day. My day is in a New Kingston right now. I'm literally just meeting up shipping person, because remember I'm telling you in the previous clip that I have a couple more packages to collect. So turns out all of the other packages I have collect, they're just PR packages. So yeah, I'm gonna just pick them here up, and then I want to actually go, man. Get started, because I have deadlines to meet, and because the shipping delay, you know, it kind of threw off my flow a little bit. So I'm going to go home and do that. That's what today is looking like. It's Friday, it's the weekend. Had a pretty cool workout, you know. It was nice and quick and intense, you know. I didn't spend as long in the gym today as I want to see my eyes them all over the place. I'm just looking because I'm on the side here, and yesterday we were driving here in New Kingston, and we did the stoplight. Let me show you a stoplight over here, so over right there. So we were right there, and like one man fully like reverse in another person's vehicle, and in the car it looked like that. You know, it was super bad, but like when we drove from around the corner, it was a really bad dent, and whole place just jam up. So I'm just looking. I mean, anything can happen anywhere on the road, but you know, it's Friday and everybody kind of move Gigi. So yeah, that's what's going on. I actually just have my green smoothie. I never have it first thing this morning. Before I went to the gym, I had some shrimp, some leftover shrimp, and sweet potato mash. That's what I had before, and I had dandelion tea this morning. So this is my second thing. I'm not sure I'm gonna eat yet, like what my next meal is going to be, because right now I would go get a salad, but just salad bowl for luck. Do I want to set Wendy's salad? I don't know. You know what I feel for? Some really nice KFC wings. The other day when I buy the chicken, wings I should have buy. I don't know why I did buy the chicken. Like, I just don't know why. The chicken was not it. But their wings, life. Yeah, so oh my gosh, guys, can I tell you, I was listening to the radio just now. I'm a fully hear Christmas ads coming on. I saw coming this morning, and the person was like, oh my gosh, just hearing Sue say Vlogmas, I'm excited, something of that. It's not the exact words, but that is similar to what the comment said. Listen, I know I always get so excited for Vlogmas, and then Vlogmas done, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so much work. But you know, once I say I can do it, and I don't know if I can do it. If I'm not sure, if I say no, I'm not do it, no, I'm not do it. I'm really not gonna do it. I'm gonna have to really have strong influence for changing mine. But yeah, I'm just rambling. One thing I forgot to mention to you guys, I don't know how this slipped me, but I do have another quick week sale coming up. It's more mini in comparison to the last one I did, and the only reason why I'm doing this, I kind of want to declutter, because, and then I've been getting so much requests from every single wig that I have modeled. I've been getting so much requests for them, so I'm gonna say, all right, you know what, let me do a quick little week sale right before, even though Christmas rush is really starting already. I just thought about, anyways, but yeah, So I say, you know, let me go ahead and do another quick sale. So this week's sale is literally going to be happening like by this weekend. You're watching this on Saturday, which is tomorrow. So it's either, if it's not tomorrow, Sunday, then it's Monday. So just look out for that. So I have so much work to get done. I have videos to shoot. Then we literally already cleanse them and stuff. So there is just, you know, package them and then post them. And yeah, I've literally been getting so much requests. So go ahead, check out Divinity Glam. If you're interested in any one of the wigs you've seen me like wear recently. And yeah, you guys know some sell them like highly discounted, like. So go and check out Divinity Glam. That's my business Instagram page. And yeah, is that it for the updates that I have to give to you? I think so. So week sale, follow my fitness page, and yeah, I think it's really necessary that if I was going to do it, because I actually did a poll on my Instagram and asked if you guys wanted the wig sale like next week, which is the coming week, or I don't want it January, because if I don't know, it's next year. That's how serious shipping is. Like last year shipping really. So I'm gonna say, you know what, let me do the sale now, because shipping is getting quite crazy, and I really don't want it to throw me off. Honestly, last year when I did the sale them time, yeah, honestly, it really demotivated me to see how long people take to get them things. I say, you know, let me just hurry up and get this out of the way. It's kind of risky, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah. So just know, so when that week sale happen, like January again, from our next week sale. Really and truly though, I feel like this is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. I wish it could be longer. I don't even know how long it is. I really don't know how long it is. Hopefully it reached my hour mark. But yeah, this is where I'm going to cut off today's vlog. I'm gonna start vlog right after this, but I don't know the vibes already. Trying my best to let you guys get this on Saturday, which is tomorrow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Oh, and by the way, should I mention it now? Whenever I mention it now, I'll wait till down in the month. I feel like I should wait. Let me wait. I can't wait. Anyways, yeah, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this vlog, share it. You know, drop your positive energy in the comment section. And oh, no more lockdown Sundays. I forgot to mention that. No more lockdown Sundays, no lockdown days anymore. We still have curfew. I really don't think we should still have curfew, but whatever. Yeah, so that's that. So just want to stay tuned, go and pick up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.
Started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cashed else, I just wanted him to lose you. Damn, puffing on that bullshit Uncle Sam's. Who'da thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why.